Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Lexar E-Series 128GB microSD card 5-pack, a high-performance microSDXC flash memory card that comes with an adapter and offers blazing fast transfer speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second. This versatile card is perfect for a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, drones, action cameras, and GoPros, making it a premium memory solution for capturing stunning 4K Ultra UHD and 1080p Full HD videos, as well as 3D content. With a 1-rated performance, it loads apps faster, ensuring smooth and efficient operation, while its multi-capacity options, ranging from 32GB to 512GB, cater to all your storage needs, supporting up to 6 hours of 4K video or 20 hours of 1080p video, along with thousands of photos and songs. Built to withstand the elements, this ultra-durable card is waterproof, temperature-proof, shockproof, and magnetic-proof, providing peace of mind for all your adventures. Plus, it comes with a Lexar limited 10-year warranty for the microSD card and a 1-year limited warranty for the adapter, ensuring long-term reliability. So, whether you're a professional content creator or just someone who loves capturing life's moments, the Lexar E-Series microSD card is your go-to choice for high-speed, reliable storage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.